Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we're going to show you how to troubleshoot a chainsaw that isn't cutting straight or isn't really cutting at all. For each problem, we'll provide a link in the description below to a full repair video so you can get your chainsaw back in working order. Now let's get started. Problem number 1, dull cutting chain. If the chain you're using isn't sharp enough, you can easily end up with cuts that aren't straight, or find yourself having to apply a lot of pressure to get the chainsaw to make a cut. Inspect the chain and either have it sharpened or replace it. Problem number 2, improperly adjusted chain. The chain should fit snugly around the guide bar with no slack to hang down. Using the adjustment screw, adjust the chain to get the chainsaw in proper working order. Problem number 3, using the wrong chain for your chainsaw. Not all chains are created equal, and they're definitely not universal. If the chain you're using isn't rated for the model of your chainsaw, the drivers likely won't match the grooves in your guide bar, and you can end up with crooked cuts. Be sure to check your guide bar for information on what chain you should use. Problem number 4, worn out guide bar and worn out rails. If the guide bar is worn out, the groove may become too wide and the chain won't sit properly. If you notice wear on the guide bar, replace it to keep your chainsaw working its best. If the rails on the bar wear out, your chain won't sit squarely. Be sure to inspect it for any wear and replace it to avoid any cutting issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget you can check out our full repair videos for each of these problems in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.